Hey everyone! Today I'll walk you through how to get a free Pandora promo code for a discount on beautiful jewelry. Head over to easycoupon.co/Pandora or scan the QR code on the screen to go straight to the site. Once you're there, enter your email address and the promo code will be sent right to your inbox. I'll add mine here to show you how quick it is. Select your device, Apple or Android, and click Continue. The site will instantly start generating your Pandora promo code. For verification, download 2 free apps from the Google Play Store. These are popular, safe apps with millions of downloads, and they're completely free. After downloading, open each app and use it for about a minute. Some apps may prompt you to reach level 9 in a game or fill out a short survey just to confirm your identity. I'll fast forward here with some background music so you can see how it's done. And there it is, my Pandora promo code right in my inbox. If this helped, hit subscribe for more tips and enjoy shopping at Pandora.